Fancy a trip to Greece without leaving your kitchen? Imagine the sun-drenched landscapes, the azure waters, and the rich culinary traditions. Now you can bring a piece of that into your home. This easy feta and spinach frittata recipe is your ticket to deliciousness. It's a simple yet flavorful dish that captures the essence of Greek cuisine. It's bursting with Mediterranean flavors. Think of the aromatic herbs, the tangy feta, and the fresh vegetables that make every bite a delight. Imagine salty feta, fresh spinach, and sun-kissed tomatoes. These ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that will transport your taste buds straight to Greece. It's the perfect dish for a quick lunch, a light dinner, or even a satisfying brunch. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet meal, this frittata fits the bill. Plus, it's packed with protein and nutrients, making it a healthy and delicious choice. The combination of eggs, spinach, and feta provides a balanced meal that's both nourishing and tasty. This recipe is so easy to follow, even if you're a beginner cook. With clear instructions and simple steps, you'll be able to whip up this dish in no time. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a perfect frittata every time. From prepping the ingredients to cooking the frittata to perfection, we've got you covered. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this taste of Greece. Serve it up and watch as everyone savors each bite, enjoying the flavors of the Mediterranean right at your table. Before we begin our Greek culinary adventure, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup milk, any kind will do, salt and black pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 cup chopped onion, 1 cup fresh spinach leaves, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, and 1/4 cup chopped sun-dried tomatoes. Optional, but adds a lovely sweetness. These simple ingredients come together to create a symphony of flavors that will transport you straight to the Greek islands. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grab a 9-inch oven-safe skillet. Lightly grease it with a little olive oil. This will prevent the frittata from sticking and ensure easy removal later. In a large bowl, whisk together the eggs and milk until well combined. Season generously with salt and black pepper to your liking. Remember, it's always easier to add more seasoning later, so start with a little and adjust as needed. Section 4. Creating the Spinach and Feta Symphony. This is where the magic happens, and we bring together the vibrant flavors of fresh spinach and tangy feta cheese to create a harmonious dish. Now, let's build the heart of our frittata. Gather all your fresh ingredients and lay them out on the counter. This will make the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Heat the remaining olive oil in the prepared skillet over medium heat. Make sure the oil is evenly distributed to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened and translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally to avoid burning and to ensure the onions cook evenly. Next, add the fresh spinach leaves and cook until wilted, about 2 to 3 minutes. The spinach will reduce significantly in volume, so don't be alarmed by the initial bulk. Once the spinach has wilted, sprinkle the crumbled feta cheese evenly over the onion and spinach mixture. The feta will start to melt slightly, adding a creamy texture to the dish. If you're using sun-dried tomatoes, scatter those in now too. They provide a delightful contrast with their chewy texture and intense flavor. They'll add a burst of sweetness that complements the salty feta beautifully. Mix everything together gently to ensure all the ingredients are well combined and evenly distributed. Section 5. The transformation. From stovetop to oven. This is where the magic happens, turning simple ingredients into a delightful dish. Carefully pour the egg mixture over the spinach and feta in the skillet. Make sure to cover all the spinach and feta evenly. Make sure the egg mixture is evenly distributed. Use a spatula to spread it out, ensuring every bite will have a perfect blend of flavors. Let the frittata cook on the stovetop over medium heat for about 5 minutes. This initial cooking helps set the bottom and edges. You'll notice the edges starting to set. This is a good sign that the frittata is cooking evenly. Now it's time to move the frittata to the preheated oven. Be careful when transferring the skillet, as it will be hot. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the center is set and the top is lightly golden brown. The oven will give it a nice, even finish. To check if it's done, insert a toothpick into the center. This is a simple but effective way to ensure it's fully cooked. If it comes out clean, your frittata is ready. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving to allow the flavors to meld together. Section 6. Serving up your Greek masterpiece. Once your frittata is baked to perfection, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly before serving. You can enjoy it straight from the skillet for a rustic touch, or slide it onto a serving platter for a more elegant presentation. This versatile dish can be served warm, at room temperature, or even cold. It's delicious on its own, but you can also pair it with a fresh salad, crusty bread, or a dollop of Greek yogurt for a complete meal.